For more than 75 years, the Precision Metal Forming Association and its members have subscribed to the very highest standards of excellence. PMA's annual Awards of Excellence competition recognizes innovative metal forming companies for outstanding performance in the areas of design, product development, process control, productivity, quality, and training and education. We honor them now, the 2019 Awards of Excellence in Metal Forming winners. Our first award, the Zierick Manufacturing Corporation Productivity Award, is sponsored by Zierick Manufacturing Corporation, Mount Kisco, New York. It recognizes outstanding achievement in the development and implementation of programs and processes and the use of assets that lead to significant improvements in productivity. The winner of the 2019 Zierick Manufacturing Corporation Productivity Award is Anchor Manufacturing Group, Cleveland, Ohio. The company won the award for productivity gains realized on its crash tube line, which manufactures 3 steering column crash tubes. Improving the crash tube line was challenging due to tight part tolerances and high throughput expectations. Also challenging was the complexity of the line, which includes a forming machine with 5 stations, a pierce machine with 9 stations, 2 CNCs, a deburring operation, a parts washer, a stencil unit, and a restrike press. The first major improvements occurred on the form and pierce equipment to correct mechanical issues with the equipment as well as quality issues with the parts. Investigation of a galling issue in the forming machine revealed oil sprayers getting bumped out of position and not spraying on the location of the tube required for effective lubrication. This was corrected by hardlining the lube system. Anchor also worked with the lube supplier to perform analyses on the lube at different frequencies after a tank recharge. This helped determine when the system needed to be recharged and led to the addition of an appropriate preventive maintenance schedule. In addition, parts falling and jamming at the conveyors between the form and pierce machines caused downtime and scrap. To fix this, Anchor engineered, built, and implemented a pick-and-place system to move parts from one machine to the other. As for part quality, tubes exhibited slots out of location along the length of the tube as well as missing holes. Anchor corrected these issues through the implementation of LVDT sensors and inline cameras. Lastly, the 2 CNCs and the deburring operation required 3 total associates, 1 operator for each. In reviewing this, Anchor determined that too much time was spent on non-value-added activities, and the CNC machine cycle time needed to be decreased. Anchor then worked with the company to fully automate the CNC operations using a gantry pick-and-place system and 2 robots. Anchor achieved numerous benefits as a result of the productivity improvements, including increased customer satisfaction due to improved on-time delivery and quality, and an annual savings of more than $567,000 from scrap reduction and increased efficiency. Anchor's average scrap rate between the 3 parts was reduced from 3.9 to 1.35%. Additionally, the company went from running 181 parts per hour with 5 associates to running 240 parts per hour with 2 associates. Congratulations, Anchor Manufacturing Group, on your remarkable achievement. The Pridgeon and Clay Excellence in Quality Award is sponsored by Pridgeon and Clay in Grand Rapids, Michigan. It awards a metal forming company for outstanding achievement in the development and implementation of a company-wide quality system that effectively uses continuous improvement. The winner of the 2019 Pridgeon and Clay Excellence in Quality Award is HK Metalcraft, Lodi, New Jersey. HK Metalcraft is celebrating the 15th anniversary of its Quality Management Bonus Program. This company-wide bonus system rewards all employees if HK Metalcraft successfully ships 0 defects customer returns during a month. If successful during month 1, employees receive a $25 bonus. After 2 months in a row, employees receive $50. The pattern repeats in subsequent months, with $450 as the total bonus per employee for a perfect year. If a month is missed, the program starts over at $25. Originated in 2004 due to HK Metalcraft's inability to ship each month without a customer return, the program is designed to make all employees concerned about quality. After implementation, the program took some time for all employees to get on board, but eventually, positive results were experienced as the company began shipping more months without quality returns. Management commitment is a key component of the program, with former President Raymond Hopp approving the plan in 2004 and promoting it to employees at its inception. The current HK Metalcraft president, Josh Hopp, continues to promote the award during their monthly all-employee town hall meetings. The company decided to implement the bonus program to catch defects as early as possible and ultimately prevent the shipment of rejects to the customer. The bonus is an integral part of HKM's IATF audit and has received praise from TÜV auditors. The successful program has resulted in HKM receiving numerous customer quality awards, and as of September 2019, the company had shipped without a customer return since January 2019. Congratulations, HK Metalcraft, on your outstanding work. The A.R. Hedberg Training and Education Award is sponsored by HPL Stampings, Lake Zierick, Illinois. It recognizes an outstanding achievement by a company in employee technical education through a comprehensive training program. The winner of the 2019 A.R. Hedberg Training and Education Award is North American Stamping Group, Portland, Tennessee. NASG won the award for its outstanding tool and die apprenticeship program and operational excellence training. By partnering with the U.S. Department of Labor and the National Institute for Metalworking Skills, NASG developed a comprehensive tool and die apprentice program that combines 2 years of in-house theory instruction with approximately 8,000 shop hours. At every step of the program, the student must prove competency before advancing. As apprentices build time in the shop and complete required NIMS projects, their pay increases toward the journey worker rate. The curriculum includes a step-by-step progression through Level 1 and Level 2 NIMS projects to a study of practical tool and die construction and maintenance. The program also includes shop math, blueprint reading, and drafting. NASG currently is training 14 apprentices in 3 groups due to different experience levels and start dates. 10 hours of training is conducted 1 day per week for each group. Classroom hours are not paid and therefore represent the student's commitment to the program. Apprentices work a minimum of 40 paid hours each week under the guidance of 2 full-time apprentice team leaders, and as they progress, they are paired with journey workers. NASG also provides an outstanding operational excellence program with all leaders from shop floor supervisors to the president and CEO required to undergo a 1-week total quality production system for leadership workshop. The curriculum was developed in partnership with Toyota, Harvard School of Business, and key Tier 1 Toyota suppliers. Since the program's inception in 2016, nearly 400 associates have been trained, with $6.06 million in tangible cost savings attained in 2018. The company is on track to exceed these savings in 2019. Additionally, NASG trains team members in problem solving, basic equipment care, and 5S. Nearly 150 associates have been trained since the problem-solving workshop launched in August 2018. Approximately 400 associates have been trained in basic equipment care since April 2017, and 1,390 employees received 5S training since its inception in 2013. Congratulations, North American Stamping Group, on your excellent work to train a skilled workforce. The Clips and Clamps Industries Educational Institution Award is sponsored by Clips and Clamps Industries, Plymouth, Michigan. It recognizes a public or private educational institution that provides exemplary training and education services to companies in the metal forming industry. The winner of the 2019 Clips and Clamps Industries Educational Institution Award is State Technical College of Missouri, Lynn, Missouri. The school won the award for its outstanding precision machining technology program, dedicated to providing students with specialized knowledge in traditional and emerging technical areas, as well as general knowledge that fosters a life of learning. State Tech offers a 2-year associate degree in precision machining technology and currently has more than 80 students enrolled in the program. The school's curriculum provides students with the practical experience, knowledge, and judgment to plan, prepare, and operate precision machines. Graduates understand 3D modeling, computerized post-processing, and CNC setup and operation. Throughout the program, students complete increasingly complex lab projects to develop skills. Those who successfully complete their Level 1 projects receive National Institute for Metalworking Skills certification. With 20 Haas CNC machines, State Tech is an active member of the Haas Technical Education Center network. Students are exposed to manual machining, CNC turning and multi-axis machining centers, computerized precision measurement, rapid prototyping, and water jet cutting. State Tech's program includes 20 hours of hands-on experience per week. Instructors have at least 15 years of experience, and all are graduates of the college's Precision Machining Technology program. State Tech also has a 99% job placement rate for students who complete the program, with graduates working for companies across the state of Missouri and throughout the Midwest. Congratulations, State Technical College of Missouri. PMA applauds your efforts to prepare students for careers in manufacturing. PMA also offers awards in the areas of design, process control, and product development. The Higgins Cadets Design Award is sponsored by the Quarterly Club, a group of CEOs from leading metal forming companies. The Link Systems Process Control Award is sponsored by Link Systems, Nashville, Tennessee. The Ulbrich Award for Competitive Excellence in Product Development is sponsored by Ulbrich Stainless Steels and Special Metals, North Haven, Connecticut. Contact PMA to learn more about the Awards of Excellence in Metal Forming and how your company can earn well-deserved recognition for your company and employees.